Hello there, everyone. If you could, please go to starfall.com. Starfall.com. The word Starfall is right here. And then, of course, just .com after. When you hit enter, you'll get to choose between kindergarten or grades 1, 2, and 3. Please choose on the kindergarten side. Then there will be a fun little mouse here that says Learn to Read underneath it. Please click it. Once you have clicked on the mouse that says Learn to Read, you can choose any of these two activities. And what they will do, I'll click on one to show you, is there will be a word family, which is and, then they will supply you with a picture. You have to choose the correct letter to fill the word. So we will pick pan, pan. Once you go through this word family, just choose another one and you'll be all done. Thank you.